As the anticipation builds for the release of the dancehall legend Bounty Killer's album King of Kingston, the veteran DJ has signed a major publishing deal with Creative Titans in partnership with Concord Music Publishing. The signing took place in Kingston and saw some specially invited guests in attendance. Bounty Killer shared with E! Prime more on the deal.
I got a lot of works out there in the water. I'm telling you that I have no idea. So to have someone administrating the works and the rights. So that's what I'm calling people to make sure that the rights, the compensation.
Now, still on Bounty Killer, over the weekend he posted about his work with international singer Maya, who is in Jamaica, and sources told E! Prime to look out for a collab and a video from the two, but no confirmation on if they were working on a track for the album. Now, although posting the album is 95.5% completed, there is still yet to be an announcement on the actual release date. I'm Deidran reporting for E! Prime.